gum shi Bynta ben pen so thu kham bha Halor ka jing sniu jong u drugs bat kiwi ki jing di pen Bhoi ka ken hun ri Bhoi police ha ka jing a lang bat ka health and hygiene cell jong ka ri Bhoi college menta ka sngi ka ar phulai tarik nai lar ar hajar ar phulai kala Pynlong ka awareness program. Lawan Bansaki yakni ka program dau Dr. L.R. Bishnoi Director General of Police ka Jilla kum ukongsan haringkat ugiri Prasad Superintendents of Police Ribhoi Ishan Gupta Additional SP Principal ka Ribhoi College kinong hikai bat ki samla pule ka Ribhoi College. Habakren bat ai jinghikai hakani ka awareness program u Dr. L.R. Bishnoi ulamat phang Halor shibun ki mat ki bakdaw Halor ka jingsni u drugs haka kot ka khia bat haka imlang ka salang.
It's a doctor away. That is also another saying. Means if you live a very healthy life, you can prevent diseases, sickness. As far as social evils are concerned, we must know that it is better to take precautionary measures rather than try when we get involved or when we are caught in anti-social elements. As a principal of this college, many people are interacted with me and I am aware that the great menace of the drug illicit trafficking in Bhoi district. Sir, you being the head of the police force in the state must know everything about the various problems associated with drugs and other social evils in the state. So we look forward to listening to you and we are eager to hear from you and learn from you so that we are aware of our responsibility and our lives are protected when we are aware of what is happening around us.
It is necessary for all of us to know about the activities. So all these questions we will try to address through a small PowerPoint presentation. Have you ever heard about drugs? How many of you have heard about drugs? Raise your hand. So you have some idea what is a drug? Who will tell me what is a drug? Yes? Let us make it an interactive session, otherwise you will feel bored. If I will continue to speak and you will remain silent, it will become a bit monotonous. Interactive. No idea? So let me explain in a very, very simple layman term without going for scientific definition. Drug is any chemical substance that can change the functions of your brain. This two lines you should remember. Any chemical substance, sometimes natural, sometimes synthetic, sometimes semi-synthetic, if they can alter the functioning of your central nervous system, then it is a drug. You are taking food, but food is not a drug because it will not change the function of your body. It is good for your health. But if you take the drugs for longer duration, then you will become dependent on them. So that is why we are concerned about it. Why we are so much concerned? Because in 2019, please remember, 2019, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India, they have conducted a nationwide survey and they noted in 2019 at that time that there are nearly 8 crore people in India who are taking drugs. So this is a huge figure. Now it may be touching 10 crore. And major proportion of that drug abusers are the youngsters. They are ranging from the age of 15 to 35 years. And many of them are students. Either the dropout students from the school or sometimes the school and college and university students. So that is why it is a cause of big concern for all of us. Because you are youngster, you are the future of the country. Your life is as precious as diamond for us. We want to see the youth happy, healthy and smiling. We cannot afford to ruin the future of the youth by the drugs. Okay? So that is why we have come to your college. You must know some basic idea, even if you are not taking drugs, but if you are aware, you can save your friends, you can save your relatives who are in the grip of drug abuse, you can contribute in your own best possible. So quickly we will go through the slide. The topic is drug abuse, a deadly menace. Menace, you know? Who will tell me what is the meaning of menace? Yes? Any idea what is the menace? When the problem becomes very, very serious and it threatens the social fabric of the society, then we will call it a menace. It's a danger, big danger. The topic is like this. Next. So why Meghalaya state is sensitive from the drug abuse point of view? You know that Meghalaya is a small state having almost population of 36-37 lakhs only. It has 12 districts and 80 police stations. And you know how many colleges are there in Meghalaya? There are 70 colleges. For Bhoi, one of them. The Bhoi college was established in 1984. Quite old college, and I was told that nearly 1,500 students are there, 40 odd faculty members. College building is quite imposing, so I am happy to come here. So why Meghalaya is sensitive? Because Meghalaya has close proximity to the Golden Triangle area. You heard about the Golden Triangle? Any idea what is a Golden Triangle? You have not heard? It is not a Golden Triangle, it is a Devil's Triangle. Devil's Triangle. Why? The bordering area of the Thailand, Burma and Laos, these three Southeast Asian countries, comprising a very, very difficult terrain, almost 9 lakh square kilometers, where the opium poppy cultivation is done. And out of that opium, heroin and morphine are produced. So that is why earlier the name was Golden Triangle, but now it is a Devil's Triangle. And the area is so huge that 40 number of Meghalaya can be accommodated in that area. It's a huge area, and that area is a poorly administered area, and opium is rampantly grown there, and they have there some improvised factories to produce the heroin and morphine from the opium. You have heard about heroin? Heroin, when I say heroin, it is not a Bollywood heroin. It is a drug. Okay, the spelling is different. So close proximity to Golden Triangle area makes Meghalaya a hypersensitive state from the drug menace point. Because large consignment of drugs are passing through the states and it is going to the other states of India and sometimes from to other countries of the world. Secondly, we have porous border. Porous border, you understand? What is a porous border? When the borders are not properly fenced, when borders are not properly administered, when the administration process is bare minimum and the people are free to cross borders from one area to another area, then we say that border is porous, that is open. We have nearly 440 kilometers with Bangladesh border of Meghalaya and 880 kilometer border with the state of Assam. So it is a landlocked state. But because of proximity of the Bangladesh and Assam, they are sensitive. Then, as per the 2019 survey, at that time in Meghalaya there were 2.5 lakh drug abusers in Meghalaya itself, and out of that, nearly 45,000 drug abusers are there in the Shillong, capital city of Meghalaya. So these kinds of the figures really frighten us. When we see large number of youths falling prey to the drug abuse, and I can really feel pity for their families, because how much suffering the families are undergoing, you can only imagine. So these are the reasons. Earlier, the drug abuse was mainly concentrated in the urban area, in the towns area only. But now this. So what the Jyoti told us that it is a weed, and it is actually the nickname of cannabis is weed only. So a lot of Northeast students are studying in Delhi University and Jawaharlal Nehru University, Delhi. And when they come back to their native places during vacation, then some of the students from Punjab, Haryana and the North India, they will request them, when you come back, please bring some weed for us. So as he has told. So weed is the nickname of the cannabis. No to drugs! No to drugs! Yeah, very good. That is the strength of the Bhoi body. Yes to life! Yes to life! No to drugs! No to drugs! Yes to life! Yes to life! No to drugs! No to drugs! Yes to life! Yes to life! Thank you very much.